Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need an AdMob account and a published app to earn. Once that's ready, link the app and create Ad Unit ID. Install and initialize the AdMob SDK in your code, then load test ads to confirm integration. While doing that, set up your payment profile and complete tax forms. This avoids payout delays. Make sure app ads. TXD is served on your domain to improve fill rates. Start with one rewarded or banner placement so you can measure baseline revenue quickly and reliably. Once basic ads are running, implement mediation to boost fill and eCPM by layering networks and setting price rules. Experiment with ad formats. Rewarded often converts best for engagement. Interstitials work between flows, banners for passive revenue. Measure how each format affects retention and session length. Make data-driven trade-offs. Run a /B tests on placement, frequency caps, and ad cadence. Prioritize UX so ads don't push users away. Also connect analytics to track revenue per user and lifetime value. To finalize, monitor RPM, eCPM, and CTR daily and iterate on features that increase session time. Growth in users increases absolute revenue. Verify payment thresholds and payouts. Keep your tax and bank details up to date so payments process smoothly. If revenue stalls, inspect mediation waterfall and bidding, then optimize ad density and onboarding conversion. Troubleshooting tip. If fill or revenue is low, check app ads, TXD, regional availability, and test device flags. Also review policy violations in the console to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.